The 2025 Honda PCX 125 is a sophisticated scooter that blends modern design with practical functionality, making it an excellent choice for urban commuting. Its sleek bodywork, characterized by aerodynamic lines and a distinctive LED lighting system, not only enhances its visual appeal but also contributes to improved rider comfort by reducing wind resistance. At the heart of the PCX 125 lies a 125cc single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine that delivers a maximum power output of 9.2 kilowatts at 8,750 revolutions per minute and peak torque of 11.7 Nm at 6,500 revolutions per minute. This engine configuration ensures responsive acceleration and efficient fuel consumption, achieving up to 47.6 km/h. The scooter is equipped with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, providing a smooth and effortless riding experience ideal for city traffic. The PCX 125's chassis is constructed from tubular steel, offering durability and stability. The front suspension features a 31mm telescopic fork with 89mm of travel, while the rear utilizes twin shock absorbers with 95mm of travel, ensuring a comfortable ride over various road conditions. The braking system comprises a 220mm hydraulic disc at the front with a 2-piston caliper and a 220mm disc at the rear with a single piston caliper, enhancing braking performance and safety. Technological advancements in the 2025 model include the introduction of a full-color 5-inch TFT display in the DX variant, which integrates Honda RoadSync smartphone connectivity. This feature allows riders to access navigation, manage calls, and control music seamlessly through handlebar-mounted controls. The scooter also offers a spacious 30.4-liter under-seat storage compartment, capable of accommodating a full-face helmet, and a USB-C charging port located in the glove compartment for on-the-go device charging. In terms of dimensions, the PCX 125 measures 1,935 mm in length, 740 mm in width, and 1,125 mm in height, with a wheelbase of 1,315 mm. The seat height is set at a comfortable 764 mm, and the scooter maintains a ground clearance of 135 mm, suitable for urban environments. The fuel tank capacity is 8.1 liters, contributing to an impressive range between refueling stops. For riders in Pakistan, the 2025 Honda PCX 125 is available at a price of approximately 1,093,500 Pakistani rupees. This pricing reflects the scooter's advanced features, reliable performance, and the brand's commitment to quality. In summary, the 2025 Honda PCX 125 stands out as a versatile and efficient scooter, combining contemporary aesthetics with practical features tailored for the modern urban commuter.